When we think of the sun, the first image that comes to mind is a massive ball of fire burning intensely in space. But what if I told you that this idea is wrong? In reality, there's more fire on your stove than in the sun. And the most surprising part, there's more water in the sun than in that glass of water you forgot to drink today. Wait, I know it sounds crazy. How can there be water in such a hot place? And why isn't the sun made of fire? To understand this properly, let's take a journey through time and explore one of the greatest secrets of our star. It all starts in 1665 when Isaac Newton was casually playing with a beam of sunlight and a prism. What happened? The white light split into multiple colors, forming an artificial rainbow. Basically, Newton discovered that white sunlight is composed of many colors, like a luminous pack of Skittles. But 2 centuries later, a scientist named Anders Jonas Angstrom noticed something strange. He heated a gas of hydrogen and analyzed the light it emitted. And what did he see? No continuous rainbow. Instead, just a few distinct colored lines appeared. And here comes the plot twist. This isn't exclusive to hydrogen. Other elements do the same, emitting or absorbing specific colors. How so? Think of a piano. You can play any note, but if it were a quantum piano, only some keys would work. And what does this have to do with the sun? Everything. When we look at sunlight with modern equipment, we see a rainbow, but with some dark gaps. This means that certain elements in the sun absorb light at very specific wavelengths. And guess what we found there? Hydrogen, helium, and water. Yes, water molecules in the sun. But hold on, it's not a bubbling celestial swimming pool. These molecules are found in sunspots, which are cooler regions on the sun's surface. While most of the sun is a boiling plasma cauldron, some areas are a bit calmer. And it's in these VIP zones that we find water molecules. To see water on the sun, we need to look beyond visible light. The answer lies in infrared and microwaves. And coincidentally, that's exactly how a microwave heats your food. It emits a type of light that makes water molecules vibrate faster, generating heat. So, using special telescopes that detect this kind of radiation, scientists were able to spot the signature of water on the sun. But there's a small problem. Our atmosphere also contains water. So how do we know if we're seeing water from the sun or from our own atmosphere? The solution was to use space telescopes or incredibly precise computational calculations to eliminate the Earth's noise. The sun is a true powerhouse, generating energy through nuclear fusion. Every second, it fuses about 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium, releasing a mind-boggling amount of energy. That energy takes thousands of years to travel from the sun's core to its surface. But once it's released, it reaches Earth in just 8 minutes. Another fun fact, the sun's atmosphere, called the corona, is actually hotter than its surface. Scientists are still trying to fully understand this mysterious phenomenon. But one theory is that magnetic waves transfer energy from the sun's interior outward. Oh, and did you know the sun is slowly changing? As it burns hydrogen, it gradually gets brighter and larger. In a few billion years, it will expand into a red giant, possibly engulfing Mercury and Venus, and maybe even Earth. But don't worry, we have plenty of time before that happens. The most amazing thing is that this same technique can be used to find water on other planets and stars. In other words, without leaving Earth, we can sniff out molecules from light years away. This means we can discover exoplanets with oceans, better understand stars, and maybe one day find a habitable place beyond Earth. So next time you look at the sun, remember, it's not a ball of fire, but rather a true cosmic laboratory full of incredible elements. Now I want to know, what other space mystery would you like us to explore? Comment below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell. See you in the next cosmic adventure.